Good evening, one and all. Shall we start the class? Actually, I have small work, so I have late for 10 minutes. Sorry for the delay. So I would like to continue the class. So everybody ready? Hello. Okay. Shall we start the class? Today topic is safety, health, and environmental education and training. So the main heading itself is telling safety, health, and environment. It's simply called SHE. S stands for safety, H stands for health, E stands for environment, education and training. This is the one of the most important topic for the safety officers. So training is a process of learning and sequence and programming programmed behavior. It improves the employee's performance on the current job and prepares them for an independent job. So the main introduction is somebody is eating, so please. So what is the main thing of training is training is one of the sequence of learning new thing from the new thing from the experts. What are the things which will occur in our society? It will learn from the training purpose like a sequence, and we have to apply in a programmed behavior. Means what are the training gives? Means training gives the dignity, the communication and everything. So it's a learning process. We have to learn something new from the different people and uh, different subjects. So the main thing is the employee's performance also depends on the training only. If the trainer is a perfect trainer who gives the training in a good manner, then they will learn good manners and good behavior in the particular company, and that particular company leads to one of the most important company in the society. Means depends on their behavior. If the trainer has given good training, but the who is listening, the people, that people they can't take the learning, they can't take any learning subjects, that training is unfit. So we have to observe each and everything from the trainer, and we have to collaborate with each other, and we have to applicable that same applications in that manner. We have to go through this a proper channel means proper way. Yes, our trainer has given these instructions, so we have to follow these instructions from a starting point to end point. Then we will have a good command on that particular work. Like that we have to behave, and we have to apply that training, what they have given the training for the current job, and we have to succeed that current job, and we have to give output, whether it is in a safety or it is in a production of material, or we have to sell it in the market, or storage in the storages, warehouses. Like that we have to evaluate, and we have to propagate everything. Okay, what is the purpose of training? Purpose of training means, first of all, in that purpose of training, to improve the productivity. To improve the productivity means I already explained. If a person is giving training to the particular people, means unskilled people, then training leads to means increase the operational productivity and increase the company profit. Automatically training increases the productivity. Then to improve quality, along with the productivity, we have to maintain the quality also. Without quality we can't sell the product in the market. So if you maintain the improve of productivity, and we have to maintain the quality, then better trained workers are make operational work. Means some people they learn lot of things from their training in their training purpose, and they have implemented new things, and they will invent and new products. That products will discuss with the executive authorities by through proper channel, through our managing department. Sir, we have introduced this type of technology, and we have introduced this type of items. So you please go through this and you have to
क्या नहीं है
you have to implement this training, and you have to implement this type of techniques, or we will get the good productivity and the best quality in a short period of time. And they never do any mistakes while they have taken a proper guidance and proper training. They won't mean they won't do any mistakes in the current job or previous job or any job. So training leads the main person into a successful person. Without any training, the people they can't go for means they can't we can't say that there is no mistakes happen. So that's why every company, even in government sectors also, first of all the pattern of work they have given for 10 days 15 days training. After that they have given some and they have give some work. With that work, how we are working and how we are going through this on this work, they are observing, and after they are observing, yes, he is a perfect person to do this work. And so they will give more and more training for the next level, so where we can't do any mistakes in the operational works. To improve organizational climate also means improve production product quality and enhance the financial incentives. If you produce a good productivity with the quality, then automatically market in that market people will buy our products in a good manner. Yes, this company providing good product and a good quality product, so we have to buy from this company only. So automatically if the public are very interested regarding our company, automatically our financial system also increasing day by day. It turns to more it turns to gives moral to the organization. Automatically that organization executive authority, they will give lot of bonuses to the employees, and they will provide a lot of benefits to the employees. Depends on their training and they are by taking the training and how they are implementing how they are implementing the training classes in the particular current job. So this is a chain type cycle. First of all, you go for a training. In the training you have to learn something, and in that learning you have to think more and more techniques, and we have to implement the techniques in a current job, and we have to produce good productivity. And after good productivity with the best quality, with that best quality we have to take to the market. In that market people will buy our products a lot and lot. So it has a sequence. So automatically our financial crisis also will go high. Means they were we are not struggle for the financial crisis. Why? Because our product is the best product in the market. So we can't down that market in the market people. So we have to stand like a wall, Great Wall of India, like that. We have to stand first place in the market only. And that morality and that inspiration will give moral inspiration to the organization. Then to increase health and safety means proper training prevents industrial accidents. If the industrial accident is 1%, automatically every employee will maintain good health and good strength and good productivity and good environmental in that particular area, and personal growth. If you take the training, automatically that training decides our behavior and our character, and how we are acting and how we are working. It's increases our personal growth also. Yes, this person is good at work, and he is a good communication person, and he is a good ability person to do work in a certain circumstances, and he is a perfect person for this work. Like that, it will increase our personal growth also. Means by enlarging the skill and leads to enhance personal growth. Means financially we have to settle. Means by getting promotions from technician to supervisor to foreman to manager to uh, uh, plant in charge. Like that, we have to go for a personal growth. Benefits of training to employees. If we give the benefit, if we give the training to the employees, they will get the full confidence on that particular work, and they will learn the new skills and promotions. Training provides opportunity for quick promotion and self development. I already explained it. And high earning. High earning means it's not in a sideways. It will increase our salary basis. Means some people will get 2,000 increment and some people will get 10,000 increment because of he is having a skill. Who is getting higher salary? He is having better skill compared to other people. So is a better opportunity to develop our skills and adaptability and increase safety also. Increase safety means we have to handle the employees and unions and everybody in a proper manner. So we will increase everything. Elements of training cycle. Elements of training cycle means it's a it's a training cycle. I will explain one and point one. Determine whether training is needed or startup of a improved program from step by step. Means there is a 7 steps we have to increase the uh, training cycle. How to increase means first of all, identify training needs. What are what are the identity means what are the training needs? We have to identify. Identify the goals and objectives. What are the goals set up by what are the goals given by the executive authority? We have to implement and set the goals and objectives. Next, design and development training program activities. So we have to design lot of training programs means activities. Conduct the training methods means different types of methods and different types of types also. Then evaluate program effectiveness, improve the program, and then we have to go for the startup. Means if we start the company in the startup, so we have to give proper training. If you take a best example, if you're in an IT sector, it will give training for the 6 months of period where we have a GAT, graduate engineer training. Then after 6 months of training period, they will give some project works. For that project work, they will give some lot of training and they will give some goals. You have to achieve that goal, then you will get a promotion. Like that, they will develop our training program activities day by day, day by day, day by day. After that, lot of training programs they will conduct and lot of methods they have to teach us and what are the different types of methods to achieve that successful manner in a startup company they have to give and improve that program also is one of the part to improve. We have to improve the program also. Then finally go to the starting point. Yes, from where we have started, from startup point we have started and uh, we have to go through this training in identifying of training needs those people who wants training and those people who wants more and more training. We have to identify, then we have to set up a goal. Like that we have to increase means this is the elements of training cycle. So you have to write this as a essay mark. What are the elements of training cycle means we have to write this 7 points, one by one, two, and three, like that 7 points. You will get a definitely 14 marks in that examination point of view also. And improve the programmers means based on the feedback from the workers, supervisors, etc. We have to improve the more and more, and we should not maintain any gap between the employees and the executive authority. We have to take the suggestions and take the feedbacks from the workers, and we can sort out means we can sort out in our level only. Otherwise we have to give report to the higher authorities in a paper and pen mode. So these people are suffering from this training, and these people are required this training. So these people are required more and more training. So we have to maintain some relations between the executive authority and the union workers. So automatically we have succeeded in that program means improving of the program. Next one, assessment of training needs. Assessment of training needs is the first step of anything. Any training process is sure that their needs. What are their needs? Following of 4 questions should be considered. One is does an actual or potential performance unsafe conditions and what is the importance of the organization and the importance of the employees and correctable if there any mistakes becomes useful or cost effective. We have to correctable through training only. Means some people they have misuses the funds in a proper manner, in a different manner. So we have to improve our skills and we have to give more potential. Means where is there unsafe conditions, we have to identify their unsafe conditions and we have to identify and we have to give more and more potential of performance. Means we have we have to establish a dispensary. Like that, we have to assessments of training needs and importance of the organizations. What are the main importance of organizations? There is no hazardness and no accidents has occurred. It is the main thing. Any organization's first motto is safety is the first, and health is the safety, health, and best hygienic environmental is the their motto of that any organization. In that reduction of cost of accident means there is no accident means every employee has a best performer in that company. Like that, we have to move forward like in that correct manner. What are the objectives of training? Objectives means training cannot and should not be started without any pre-decided objective. So I already told that without any decision we can't provide any training for the people. So we have to decide. We have to decide one objective. We have to go this work in a proper manner. We have to go for this project work in a proper manner. So first of all, we have to decide. We have to decide the objective. Then we have to go for a training without an objective. The object means nothing but a purpose. What is the purpose of training? Purpose of training means we have to increase our skills through training only. By listening, by writing, by implementing our skill in a field work like that, we have to decide one objective and that sake of training is no. If the training is best, it will not any wasteful. If the training is proper guidance and proper manner, we will continue further further process in the objective. Otherwise we can't do anything. So training need must assess first and from means we have to go we have to learn from starting point to ending point what we have to what is our purpose and what are the achievements we have to occur in that particular objective and how we across that objective. Okay, transmitting information about policy, product, services, accident causes and everything. So every training classes they will teach first of all what is the policy of that company and what are the product we have to develop in that country and what are the company and what are the services that providing by that company and accidents causes and remedy measures means if suddenly accidents comes how we have to identify and how we have to remedy from the measures and a new process of what are the new techniques to avoid that accidents and methods and technologies and the methods and technologies. The company itself it will develop the developing skill for the safe behavior and to work efficiently. So every company leads to every company leads what they have to lead. We have to work in a skill work in a safe and safe behavior and work efficiently with developing skill. That is the main objectives of the training and modifying attitudes more favorable for to safety. So we have to modify the behavior of that particular employee also. Yes, if we are going to in a particular job purpose we have to do first of all we have to learn the safety things. How we have to safe in that workplace. So we learn something from that workplace and we have to take our good precautions. So first of all our motto is also we have to save ourselves and we have to give uh, uh, moral indication from us means by looking our dignity some people will learn yes this guy is very good at safety, so we have to learn something from that. So we stand like a moral support and moral to the everyone and in that safety we have to do for the production and cooperation and discipline etc. So every employee needs cooperation between each other and discipline also. They won't take any rivalry activities or they won't take any what we say uh, without cooperation we can't do a single work in a particular companies or any organization. So cooperation is also main thing. And next one to give a worker a new means if a new worker has is appointed in our company we should give more support to that employee. You can do it in a proper manner, and we have to guide them. Yes, you can do it in a good manner. Like this, you have to go, and we have to guide that people with the point to point viewpoint of the safety responsibility. Means the new worker safety is our responsibility. Why? Because he don't know how to work in a proper company. So we have to give moral support, and we have to suggest regarding safety, and we have to observe how he is working in such type of conditions. So we have to give more and more training to that particular new employee. Then he will train up, and he learn something from us, and he will take his own responsibility along with the other people. When it is giving training and cooperation of that employees also, they will mingle. Means first 2 days it is a new. For the third day, he is a senior to that place. Then fourth day is a super senior to that place. So he know what is the condition of that workplace. So according to that work condition only, he act, and he will do the work with a proper manner. Okay. To increase safety consciousness, precipitation of danger, knowledge, experience also. So, is there any hazardness and any chemical gases or chemical gases plants? They will uh, they will maintain some knowledge regarding that gas. If the gas is leaks, we have to take this measurement, and we have to remedy. We have to learn everything. So after giving a lot of training, knowledge will increase, experience will come, and the confidence will develop, and responsibility and ability in safe performance will also calculated by the safety officer. Then he will give the best employer. Means by awarding the people, by encouraging the people. Yes, this person is doing well in that financially year. So he has arrested a lot of accidents with his knowledgeable, with his experience, with his confidence level, with his responsibility. He has done a lot of benefits to the company. So we will give, and we will encourage that people in a proper manner. What are the techniques and means procedure of training? Procedure of training means competence building technique. Means it is a main concept we have to. First of all, we know the concept, and that concept will explain to skilled labor to unskilled labor also with a proper manner and proper design of work. They will build the knowledge on that uh, particular object. Only knowledge is not sufficient. Along with knowledge, we should act. We should act with like a smart thing. Means okay, knowledge is the one of the part, but according to the situation where the person who is acting very smartly and sharply, that person will lead to the best employee in the safety regarding safety. So this is one of the best training techniques. Okay, regarding you have to follow the guidance which is given by the executive authority and implemented by the safety officers. Then we will get a good productivity. A good safety training program contains following steps. Means safety training needs, it is a first priority. Where is the safety training needs, and design the training to meet the needs, where we have to design the needs, and implement the training process. So everything comes normal thing in our training purpose. Design and development of training program means I already telling that we have to design, and we have to develop the new techniques regarding the training program. Then automatically we will get more knowledge, and more and effectively. uh, Next one is the training methods and strategies. In the training method, first of all, we have to go for the theoretical, and means theoretical means we have to go in a classroom purpose, and then practical information in the job place. How we are classes in a session, we are discussing our classes in a online mode. But in practical knowledge, we have to observe what we have learned, and how we have to operate, and how we have to act like a in regarding job place or practical information. So 50% of the knowledge comes from the theoretical. uh, by that theoretical training, we have to implement that knowledge in practical knowledge, then we will get 100% of good knowledge in that particular area. So little bit, if you learn 30% from theoretical and 50% from the practical knowledge, we have to sustain and we have to achieve new goals and new things in that particular safety manner. So types of safety training. Safety training depends on the induction course for new employees. I already told that if any employee is recruited newly, he requires a lot of training. Means induction course. You have to follow this course regarding safety for 6 months or 3 months. Like that, we have to give some time period also. We won't take a lot too much prolongation. Why? Because every minute is an important thing in the company. So every person is also important in that particular manner. So for every new employee, they should have some induction course for some duration. Then after that, ongoing safety training also he should attend, and he should implement, and he should act regarding that job manner. And then a safety representative training. He must and should go for a safety representative training. Means what he has learned from the safety training induction classes, he should implement in the representative. Means I am the representative from that so and so company. So and so place. I will give I will give some knowledge to the people. Means the people who is learning something new from the training classes. That training classes people will go for the representative. Sir, I have learned something from your training class, and I will show my responsibilities, and I will show my knowledge, and I will show my confidence, and I will show my safety training what I have learned from the safety classes as like a representative. I am the boss for this particular job role, particular safety, particular job place. So please give me permission. We have to ask the executive authorities, like through proper channel. Means we have to ask the safety officer. So safety officer will give permission to us. Yes, you can act like a safety officer for this 2 months or for this 1 month. Means it's a one type of representative. Then supervisory training also it's required. Means how the people are working in a particular conditions, how we can learn by supervisor. Means by observing things and everything. And then we have to senior middle management training and directors training. So everybody from top level to bottom level, they should go for a training purpose. Then everybody is are equal in that particular company. Nobody is demoderate or what, there is no means ఎలాంటి లింగ భేదాలు ఉండకూడదు. సో every person is a equal. There is no higher authorities and lower authorities. If lower authorities, they will go for any means misguidance of this union people. This is one of the leads, company leads to last section only. So everybody is equal from top section, director section to underground class 4 level also. Employee class 4 employee also is equal in that particular organization. Then it will go for a good proper manner, and they will build a good identification also. Specific training includes means safety system, first aid training, specific items, means plantation or equipment, use of protective equipment, PPE, and fire precautions, safety inspections, change of job for which worker is not trained. So we have to change the worker where the worker is not at all trained. Role of workers in emergency planning, how we have to role in emergency planning, and techniques of safety, audit hazards, FT and safety permit system. How we have to take the safety permit system also. These are all comes under types of safety training only. And first of all, you have to go for the apprenticeships of training also is one of the best thing. Any employee who learn something better than compared to other people who is seeing outside. Means if you take the best example, some technical people and some normal people. So it indicates BTech and degree. But while doing the job, both are equal. But the certificate it indicates is a technical, means the people who is technically skilled people, that people will control the situation regarding that. But by taking the training, by attending the lot of training classes, the normal people also get good techniques better than that who is already working in that technical people. So training is the most and most and thing. The people will continue more and more training also. And evaluation and reviewing of training program. Evaluation means how we have to evaluate. Means if any training classes will take, we have to maintain the 100% attendance. We have to increase the we have to decrease the absentees. So everybody should must attend in that training classes. It is one of the top priority in that evaluation and reviewing of a training program. And labor turnover, how the labor is turnover in that particular job work. Uh, and the next job turnover, if some jobs means it is running for 1 week or 2 weeks, so after job turnover we have to decrease the labor and we have to increase the labor, like it depends on that particular job. And decrease in production time, breakage, users of consumer items, it is also everything. We have to give the training for the people who is working in that our company. uh, Decrease in operational cost also. Okay. Read of retraining means if the people uh, anybody they can't achieve their goals by taking a training program, then we have to give the retraining and refresh the course according to that job means according to that particular job purpose. We have to give more and more training to that particular people. And types of training aids means what are the training aids. Every trainer should give blackboard representation and magnetic boards and flannel boards. And every trainer should give the flow chart diagrams and chart diagrams and posters. Then the posters will speaks 90% of the knowledge, and our 10% will give the explanation of that flow chart. Finally 100% we will achieve the training as a good successive training. Slides and film strips and transparencies and overhead projectors, these are all the training aids. And printed material like books, manuals, handouts, and etc, everything. And we will give the tvs and movies also by taking videography, and we have to represent in that tvs like movies. This accident will occur, how we have to escape from that occur, and how we will get a remedy from that accident, and how can we arrest that accident in future terms of that company. Everything comes under this manner only, scale of modes and everything. So we have to improve the softwares and along with the computers also in that uh, PowerPoint presentation. Everything comes under through CD or LCD projectors. So we have to display the items. Every item we have to display the project and everything. Then we will sustain, means we will give the good best training purpose of the product in that company, where the worker also they won't take they don't do any mistakes after seeing that lot of charts, lot of flow chart diagrams, lot of movie observations. Yes, how the accident has happened, and how their remedy has taken, and how they are arrested that accident in future terms, like that. Everything comes under this proper training only. Without a training, zero knowledge person will comes in the company. If a proper training is given by the best trainer, then that worker turns best employee to skilled and the development, and best employee and the best technical person and best behavior person in that particular company. It shows the dignity and everything. This type of organization leads the best organization in the market value. Then market will automatically increases the company fame. Yes, these company products are very good. These company people they maintain good safety. They maintain good productivity. They maintain good quality, and they will give very less time of period. Like that, everything gives positive opinion only. There is no negative opinion. If you take a proper training and implementation of proper training, everything should lead best and best and best employee section. Okay. So today we have completed seventh chapter in the course material IS-101, and tomorrow I will start the eighth chapter. So training and training classes you have learned the best. So you have to learn, and you have to discuss, and you have to write down your what you have understand from my session, and make a note. Everybody should learn basic things, and go for the best things, and you have to go for the implementation of that things in a proper manner that leads you best uh, employee or best safety officer. Like that we have to get it. Okay. So today I will stop the class 7. It is right now 7:50. So tomorrow I will continue the eighth chapter. Okay. So everybody